Let's walk to the next train stop. I don't think we've been lucky here too. Oba loba! I know those insults are mine, but I don't want to hear them. So kindly insult me in your head. We don't want the baby to hear them either.
Boy, a train is coming.
Yes, I heard it too.
Finally.
Are you stopping?
Let's wait for it here.
No, the train doesn't stop here. We have to catch it at the other end.
What?
Yeah, I know it's annoying, but come on, we don't have to miss this one. Hurry! Come on, hurry up.
Boy, I'm trying. But do you think we can make it?
Yes, if we keep up with the speed. Hurry up. We missed it. Are you okay?
No, don't touch me.
Oh.
Don't you dare touch me.
What has come over you?
You have come all over me.
Where are you going?
I'm going home.
Hey, it's a very bad idea. Huh? So please don't. There's no help in that village. Bow on your journey.
Stop the train. Stop the train. You couldn't.
But that's not true. I did.
Okay, where is it? Let's go. Let's jump on it now. Look at me. I'm already tired. You asked me to run. I did not say anything. I ran. I had lost my breath, but I continued to run, trying to catch a train that we were just going to miss.
So are you blaming that on me?
Whose fault is it? Is it not your fault? We should have stopped at Pola. For morning, we've been going from one train stop to another. Now look at us. The baby could have come any moment from now. What will we do? That train was for us, boy. And now we missed it.
I understand.
You don't understand. Don't you ever say that? You don't understand.
Okay, fine. We should have stopped at the station. But we couldn't stand at one place forever. We had to keep moving. Is that my crime? Fine.
You too fine.
Besides, I've seen women give birth several times. I can handle that baby popping up anytime. You caused this. We should have left on the market day. You said no.
Train! Please! Come and hit me, Pasobe Kumunama bread, Minister Nene, Tommy.
It's not for you. I have no plans serving you water since you want to die. It's for the baby. I like how the baby drinks water. You're right. I can't feel your pain, so I obviously don't understand you. But hey, you're not alone. We're in this together. You don't have to give up now, especially in this condition. We'll go home to your mother. You give birth and you'll be happy. Hey, you don't want to know what's happening out here, so you better stay calm, or else you'll get on the wrong side of this woman and your day will be as rough as mine.
Is he hurting? I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hurt you. Boy, I'm sorry. Boy.
Who are you?
Boy.
Where am I?
Boy.
Who are you? What am I doing here?
Boy, if this is a joke, it's not funny. It's me, Ache, your wife.
My wife? Am I married?
Boy, you can't do this to me now. What's wrong? It's me, Ache. Boy. It's me, boy. I'm pulling your legs. You scared me. I should kill you.
Sorry. Wait till we get you to Agete and to your mother, and I'm sure you're safe. Minister.
My stomach. I think the baby is coming.
Where?
Hey!
Where?
Hey!
Let me get...
Hey, my heart! Hey, I can't breathe. No. Coconut water.
Coconut water? Where do I get some from?
Hey, hey, I need Kube. Coconut water.
Where do I get that from?
Kube. Hey. Hey. Draw.
You are evil.
Yeah, that's why you married me. Come on, let's go. Let's go.
forgot something?
Did you call me?
What for? I just asked a question.
No, I mean earlier. Did you call me?
I mean, you know, Shane, you're hearing voices.
I heard someone call me.
It's the baby.
Boy.
I saw it. Where are you going? I'm sure it's just a rat. Let's keep moving forward.
Keep moving forward?
Yes. Forward ever, backward never.
I'm scared.
I have your back. Come on.
Okay, then you go, I'll follow.
Huh? Let's keep going. It's gone now. Come on, ladies first, go ahead.
Are you sure it's still not in the bush?
Okay, I'll go first. Huh? Just do what I do. Oh! What's that for?
I didn't know you were so scared.
I'm not scared. You scared me. Oh.
I'm sorry.
Next time, prompt me before holding me. I hate surprises, you know. Okay, I'm going to go first. No touching. Run! Do what I do! Run!
Boy, my mother is going to kill you. She finds out how far I've been running with this stomach. And I'm hungry too.
Davida, Emi Bashe working hand and Nabi.
You think so? Your mother wanted it more.
Not as desperate as your mother. She asked first. So this one is for her. The next one is for my mother. And this one must be a boy anyway. We need more men in the house.
No, me, I want it to be a girl. So I can name her after my mother.
Oh.
You know, make her smile before she dies.
Oh, when is she dying?
What?
I'm joking.
Well, then I missed that joke.
You're too tired to notice.
Are you not the one that put it here?
I did. Well, you could have resisted me if you didn't want it.
Like you were pathetic. My parents would even want to meet you.
Exactly. Especially your mother. I'm not even excited about meeting her anyway. Always yelling, grandchildren. You could even see her intestines when she yells. Oh, don't you know? I am shocked. I don't even care what she says or does anymore. I hope you come back alive after giving birth.
What do you mean by that? She's my mother. Is she going to eat me?
You talk too much.
Listen, boy. Look. My mother has a good reason for everything she says. Not like yours who just talks because she wants to open her mouth.
Granted, but not like she's in competition with old age.
See who's talking about old age, oh. You that your mother is in her second phase of her menopause.
Oh, that's a lie. Don't you realize the number of men that chases her?
She's so annoying, always screaming and shouting like an old witch.
Hold on. What did you just say? What did you just say?
What?
Repeat what you just said.
I said what?
You called my mother old witch.
I didn't.
Yes, you did. And that offends me. I need an apology.
So you can be offended. Are you more sensitive than I am? You started this thing by calling my mother names. And when I do the same, you're offended.
You see what you're doing? Exactly your mother. Is this what you want a girl for? To take after you and your mother? Never. I'd rather hang myself before she's born.
Then you will die.
I won't wait to have another version of you and your mother. Look, I wonder if this is what my mother did when she was pregnant. On second thought, I forgive you. Because my mother says that pregnant women are always frustrated. This is it.
One day, when our child is old enough, I'm going to tell this story. And if it's a boy, I'll give him all the reasons why he should never be as stubborn as his father.
I'm sure you must be hating me by now. Let me show you something fun. You know I don't come this far and retreat. My baby saved you.
So naughty.
Show, back way. Show. Back way. Do you see that?
Is that a house?
Of course it's a house. But I see something else. Food. I see food. Isn't that you're not hungry?
I'm hungry.
So how come you just saw a house? Huh? Can you smell that? Huh?
I can smell it.
Aren't we lucky?
But we don't know them.
There's a baby to feed. Come, let's go. Bako. Oba.
But we can't carry all of this with us. Let's find somewhere to hide them. Or
I was thinking exactly the same thing. We're beginning to think alike. Come.
There are only 2 houses.
Ago!
Are you sure there are people here?
I've never been here before, or have I? Ago! Maybe we should go close to the door.
What do you want? What do you want?
Good day. You live here? You have beautiful houses. They are like a palace for kings and queens. What do you think? I mean, she thinks so too.
What do you want?
You know, we got lost and we are sorry. We are leaving now.
No, that's not true. We're not lost. We missed the morning train and we came here to find food while we wait for the next one.
You missed the morning train.
What are you doing?
You're not allowed to do that. Don't worry, you'll be fine.
Welcome, my lady. We've been expecting you for long.
Excuse me. She's my wife, not your lady. And you've not been expecting her. We came here on our own.
Can we usher you in now?
In where?
Well, the place has been prepared for your arrival. Food, shelter, clothes, everything. Not forgetting the little one.
You must be mistaken. You are not expecting me.
Your Highness makes no mistake. He's always right.
Are you just going to stand there and do nothing?
Oh, you'll be fine, my lady. I'm sorry, my dearest. We'll be out of here very soon. They are not even harmful. Let us enjoy whatever they prepare for whoever they are expecting.
Disgusting.
Oh, you thank me soon. You'll bet on it.
Please, wait.
My lady, here is water to clean your hands and feet.
Water to clean my hands and feet?
Yes, my lady.
What nonsense is this?
Please, she doesn't mean anything. Forgive her. Calm down. You're not talking to me. We are not here to clean up. We want food.
There is food in abundance. You need to be purified first.
I'm not doing this.
You do not have a choice, my lady. You have to.
Hey, easy. You don't need to scare her.
Shall we carry on now, my lady?
And I'm not your lady. Stop calling me that.
Yes, stop calling her that. She's my wife, not your lady.
I am sorry, my lady.
Do you people understand anything at all? Look, don't worry. You'll be fine. I'm here.
Your hands, please.
Oh, careful. It will enter my mouth.
You are now ready, my lady. You'll be taken to your hut, where your meal has been served.
This feels like home, don't you see? Thank you.
Enjoy your meal. Not everyone does.
Of course we will.
After me. These are our best meals. We prepare them once a year for our special guest. And we are happy to serve you with them today. There's a seat for you too, my lady.
Come on. Let's hurry up with this. We don't have all day.
Is anything troubling my lady?
No, she's fine. She's fine. Hey, I think some music will do.
I would excuse you.
Boy, I don't feel right about this. This does not make any sense.
It makes sense, my lady. I mean, my dearest. Look, they've mistaken us for their guest. That is what it is. It makes perfect sense. Shall we finish this and leave before we miss another train?
It is obvious you are enjoying our meal.
Very much. Very tasty. This was carefully made, eh?
Yes, it was. I would like to inquire why my lady is not eating the meal.
I'm not hungry.
She's hungry. Don't listen to her. I'll package the rest and take away. She'll eat later.
My lady, you have to eat. Your Highness will not be happy to hear this.
Can I ask, why is it that you people are only concerned about my wife and not me?
She will labor soon.
How do you know that?
How do you know?
Well, it is obvious she's pregnant. We have had women come here with this condition many times. We do our best to ensure the baby is safe and ready for delivery.
He's right. Do it for the baby.
My lady, you have to eat.
I don't like how you keep using the baby to get me to do things against my wish, or I don't have control over them anymore.
Oh, of course you will. But after the baby is born, come on, eat something. Little.
Oh, yo. What are you doing?
We are leaving.
Leaving?
Yes, that's our train call.
No. There's a misunderstanding. You are our guest.
There's no misunderstanding. We have a train to catch. Your guest will arrive soon.
Yes, she's right. We are not your guests.
Your Highness is never wrong. He said you are our guest.
He's wrong this time. Stop trusting him. Thank you for the meal. I enjoyed it.
Wait! Okay. Can I inform your Highness at least? He may want to say bye.
Be quick.
Do you think we are going to make it in time?
Oh, we will. It didn't sound close.
He's not coming. Let's go.
Yes, that's what I'm thinking. Come on.
You cannot leave. My lady, no woman lives here with unborn child.
Excuse me? We didn't come here to give birth. We came for food.
And we gave you food. You took something from us. And you have to leave something for us. The child.
Is that a negotiation?
No. Your Highness does not negotiate. It is a demand.
You are crazy. And you want to take away my child? He ate your food, not my unborn child.
It is a prophecy. Your Highness is coming soon, my lady, to initiate your labor. It will be quick.
It
will be quick.
It will be quick. This one will live for you. This one will live for you. Boy!
You broke my music! Never mind. Faster a little! You can do this, come on! Do it for the baby! Oh, enough here! On here!
I'm doing it for the baby. It's tired and it wants to walk.
No, the baby can't be tired now!
Hey, boy, you burn me on this ground if you keep forcing me to run.
Do you have another plan for another trip?
If I did, we wouldn't be here.
You sometimes can be stubborn.
That's when you don't listen to.
Who's not listening to whom?
It's always about what matters to you. I'm always in your blind.
That's not true.
Tell me what it is then.
I lie.
You see, not even a moment to think about it. It will never happen.
What? Wait. Are you speaking a language I don't understand?
I don't speak in tongues.
Olenoko, I'm done.
I'm also done.
Talk to me when you want to be understood.
And I'll talk to you when you want to listen.
Fine. I'm not the only married man in this world. I don't need to suffer this.
You see exactly what I'm talking about. I can never have a mature conversation with you.
Fine, you're on your own.
Even better.
No. You can't have the last word. Wait. Don't think that you've made a point. And never talk back at me the way you just did. I won't take it. Don't make that face at me when I'm talking to you. Lomo moni yake mau midenja nga ho. Minisani. Come on. Nakai body no wo me ka try. Fomo. Minisani.
My stomach.
Ah. You are hungry. You should have eaten that food. Come on. Let me help you. Gently, I've got you. Gently. Oh, look, we have to keep moving. Eh?
I can't.
Come.
Hey, boy, Adi.
Okay. Sorry. Okay. Tiana, around my neck. Bring your other leg. Bring it close.
I'm bringing the back. You bring. Adi.
Yes?
You can put me down now. Hey. You need some air.
Sure?
Hey, you can walk for a distance.
Okay.
You need some air. Boy. Will you still choose me in another life? We're almost there.
I know. We missed it. I'll go and get the luggage. We'll join the evening train back home. We can catch the morning train to Akite tomorrow. We won't miss it. I'll get the bags.
Ajay, I'm here. I've got you. I've got you. I've got you. I've got you. Ajay. You're bleeding.
It's coming. It's coming.
What is coming?
The baby.
Hey. Oh, what do I do? Oh, what do I do?
I'm tired.
I know. You'll be fine. Just hold it. Please.
Boy.
Somebody help us!
Boy.
Somebody! Somebody!
Boy. Is the train coming?
The evening train will come soon. We'll be out of here.
Hold my hand. Have I been a terrible wife?
Abby. You're the best thing that has ever happened to me. You're special.
And will I be a good mother?
There'll be none like you. Never ever.
Don't leave me. Wait, don't leave me.
I won't.
I can't breathe. My chest, I can't breathe.
Kafinaka. Please try and breathe. Breathe for us. For me. For the baby. For yourself, and try and breathe for all of us. Ajay, don't go, please. Ajay, don't go. Don't go. Ajay, don't go. Ajay!
That is why we drink it here. And when we're gone from here, all our friends will be drinking all the beer. In heaven there is no fear. That is why we drink it here.
I think there's someone in the way.
And when
What is it
we're
doing?
gone from here,
The sign now, stop!
we'll be drinking all the beer.
Get off! Hey! Get off the way! Get off! Get off! Stop!
All the beer. All the beer.
Hey, what do you mean? What's up, Passaman? What about them? Eh? Play for? What do you mean? What's up, Passaman? I don't want you mean. I'm so cool. Eh? You're before. What do you mean?
My wife.
Eh? What do you mean?
My wife is dying. I need you to help me.
Hey, I say, there's someone in the truck. Munchain, me pay more, but see, me pay more, Munchain.
Gently, gently.
Get water, get me water.
Water. Here you are.
Will she be fine? Her heart's too beat. I don't know why she's not up yet.
Music. She needs music. She needs music.
How do you know that?
It's happened before. This is not the first time. Anyone with tape? No. Radio? No. Okay.
Where are you going?
I'm gonna get music! What do we do?
Let's sing.
Yes, I think we should sing. Let's sing.
Don't you leave us, darling. Don't leave. We need you here. Don't leave.
She blinked. Yes, I saw it. Let's sing. Yes.
Hold on. We need you.
She's alive.
here.
She's alive. Yes, I told you. She's
alive. Come.
She's alive. She's alive. I told you. You think we're joking?
Hold on.
Sing.
Hold on. We need you here. Ajay. Yes.
Are we home yet?
No. We will soon. Just hold on. Okay. Just hold on. Okay. Water!
Drink all you can.
Will she be fine?
Yes, she will be.
The baby's coming.
Let's get to the hospital quickly.
How soon can we get there?
A little after 3 hours.
Oh, no. She won't make it. She won't make it.
What are you doing?
I'm delivering the baby.
Are you sure about this?
I don't know.
What?
Look, I've seen my aunties give birth separately, and my sisters too. I'm just doing what I see people do.
Fools!
Tools, Harry, get him tools, Harry.
Push.
Are those okay or you need more?
Tools. Not the shoes. We can give you more. You can try. Push. Tools. Push. Try harder. You can do this.
But you did that. You can see. I do not push it. That I push it.
Okay. Okay, just push anyhow. Keep pushing. Try. You can do this. Yes, you can do this.
It's coming.
Push.
I was joking here. Yes. Stop it. Don't you cry. She's crying like a baby. Oh, this baby. Yes. To the new baby.
Yes.
Welcome to this family. We are glad you're here. Welcome to this family. We are glad you're here. Welcome to this family. We are glad you're here.
She looks like the mother. No. She looks like the father. Who told you? I don't know. Did you see the father said?
Harry. We heard an old wizard lives across the fields.
Old wizard?
Yes. We even heard he eats babies. That's why he was banished. But don't worry, they said a spell has been cast around his house. He cannot step beyond it. Let's go. Hey! Harry!
Oh, she has a girl. Yeah. Let's go. What's your destination, husband and wife? Akete. Here we go. Akate, here we come again. Akate, here we go. Akate, here we come again. Home sweet home, Akate, land of possibilities. No more worries, Akate, here we come again. Home sweet home, Akate, land of possibilities. No more worries, Akate, here we come again. No more crying, Akate, here we go. No more crying, here we come again. No more crying, Akate.
You remember the two village houses we're going to get rid of? I have a confession to make about what I am.
Here we go. Here we come again. Home sweet home, land of possibilities. No more worries, here we come again. Home sweet home, land of possibilities. No more worries, here we come again.
Here we come again. When they go one day on the young God is Lord, here we come again.
Bye.